A day at the beach. Today, I went to the beach with my family. The sand was warm under my feet, and the waves were crashing on the shore. I built a big sandcastle with towers and a moat. My sister helped me decorate it with seashells. We laughed when a wave came and washed part of it away. After building, we splashed in the water. I loved jumping over the waves and feeling the cool water. We found colorful fish swimming near the shore. Later, we had a picnic with sandwiches and juice. I loved eating while watching the seagulls fly by. After lunch, I collected seashells along the beach. Each one was different and special. Before we left, I wrote my name in the sand. I had a fantastic day at the beach and can't wait to return.